Good evening. It's 5:52. So, put up their food and went back doing some work, my clients, and all I could hear was all the food just going across the floor. So, came out to catch the culprit, Scout, for the second time today. You. Yes, you. So, are you going to eat it all, Scout? All right. Your job. There you go. Your job is to eat it all up. I'll put money on it that he'll dig in the bowl again, because that's what I caught him doing. Meanwhile, pretty loud mouse back here. And just empty the bowl again. You having fun? Really? No? Let them go back to having their fun. And, well, Scout to dig in the bowl. And I'm catching him red-handed now. Oh, I thought we had him red-handed. Yep. And Maisie's gonna just run on by. Meanwhile, Scout is still in the bowl. And Lily was helping a little. But it's mainly Scout's fault. So, the end.